Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another video. In this one we're gonna create a dynamic background exactly like this one. So first we're gonna create a new composition. Go to composition, or you can either just hit Ctrl N on your keyboard for Windows to create a new composition. Now I will name this composition to logo and make sure you have width and height 200 by 200. Click OK. Now go to a polygon tool, select the polygon tool and make sure your action title is on, so we know we have a logo is in the center. Hold shift and drag your left mouse click button to create this logo. Now go to the polygon star, poly star path, and change this point from 5 to 3. Close this one, hit scale, hit S for scale, and by holding shift press R for rotation, so we have the both option at the same time. Now create a keyframe at here on your first frame and then go to the last frame, create another keyframes, and in the last frame change your rotation value to 1. Now come to the 2 seconds and increase the scale amount and go to the 8 and make sure you are a little less from the 8%. I will go with the 68, that's fine. Now we're gonna create another composition, new composition, and we will name this to main comp and change your width from 200 to 1920 by 1080. Click OK. Hit to screen. Now drag your logo composition to this main composition and hit S on your keyboard for scale and change the 100% value to 50%. And now make sure it's in the center. Hit to screen. Now we can disable this title action because we already know our logo is in the center. Now look for the effect called CC repeTile. Either you can double click on this effect or you can just drag onto your composition. Now expand the right value until it's completely on the edge, or you can just go forward. We just want the screen to be filled with this design. Expand the down value, expand the up value. Yes, exactly. Now change the styling option. Mostly one I use is checker 180 degree, but you can go through this all of these settings, they're also amazing, and try them. Create the other designs as you like. This checker 180 degree gives the randomness to the design, which seems cool to me. Now we will add the background. Go to layer, new, create a new solid, or you can just hit Ctrl Y shortcut to create a new solid. And put this solid behind this logo and lock this background so we don't mess up with our background. Now go to the effect and generate, add a fill, choose as color as per your liking. I'm going with this blue, and change your logo composition to 3D and hit R on your keyboard. Change your X rotation value from -45. I think 45 is good. Let's just try some another number, -54. Yes, 54 is better. Now hit scale on your keyboard and scale until the screen is filled with design. And change your buffer option to half because it's taking a lot of my CPU. Now hit position, create a keyframe on your first frame, and then go to the last frame, create a key and drag it to the right side. Now the last thing we're gonna do is add a glow effect. Go to stylize and add glow, and now hit while selection on glow, hit Ctrl D to duplicate and change the glow radius value from 10 to 60%. This is better. Thank you for watching. If this video was anyway helpful to you, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.